Hi there, students. Nominal. Nominal is an adjective, and nominally, the adverb. Okay, we use this in various different ways, but I think the most common one you'll find is something that exists only in name, but it's not real. So, for example, he is nominally a Catholic, but he doesn't practice. So he's a Catholic in name. It's what his passport says, for example. But he doesn't practice the religion. He is the nominal head of the organization, but he doesn't actually run it at all. So he's the head in name, but he doesn't have any power to change anything. Nominally, he has the power, but in reality, he doesn't do it. Okay, so something that is only like that in name. Yeah, and this is the idea of nominal. Yeah, nominally he is in charge of this department, but in fact his work is very different. Okay, so nominally he works for the finance department, but in fact he's always working in the legal department. Okay, so the absolute definition, but not the reality of something. We can also say that something is nominal, meaning it's very small, it's insignificant, it's trifling. So, for example, if you buy a long lease on a flat in the UK, you'll have to pay lots of money for the flat. And then you pay a nominal rent every year. So he bought the flat for with a lease of 100 years, with a nominal rent of £100 a year, because that's only in name. It's not the real rent, yeah, but it is nominally. Okay, so nominally, nominally, in name only. Okay, so nominally he is the head of the school, but all the real work is done by the people under him. Yeah, we will charge you a nominal sum or a nominal fee for this. So you're going to pay something, but it doesn't represent the real cost of it. It's just very small. You can also use nominal in linguistics. So a nominal group, this is a noun phrase, a phrase or several words put together that are a noun. So all the people present worked very hard. All the people present. This is a noun phrase. This is a nominal group. Okay, so nominal, effectively a noun. Okay, yes. A nominal value is the presumed value or the presumed amount. So, for example, you buy a packet of something and it says 100 grams. But this is the nominal weight. It's not the exact weight. It's saying approximately 100 grams. Well, I think nowadays it will mean more than 100 grams, no less than 100 grams. So it's not the exact weight. Yeah, it's the official weight. It's what's printed. It's the name of the weight. Yeah, and we use nominal like that. The voltage in this circuit is nominally 6 volts, but there is clearly some variation depending on temperature and other things. Okay, in economics, let's see, you could have a nominal increase or a nominal inflation or a nominal wage rise. So this is without adjusting something for inflation. So his pay was increased by 3% nominally. That's the real increase in numbers. However, as inflation was running at 10%, this was in reality a pay decrease, yeah, because it wasn't increased according to inflation. I think also in companies you have the nominal share capital. You buy shares in a company. So I bought 1,000 £1 shares, but £1 is not the cost. This is the face value. This is the authorized share capital. And actually, they're a lot more expensive than that. So it's the name on the document. I think you can also use this word nominal in engineering, meaning according to plan or according to design. I think this is particularly common for spacecraft or for aeroplanes. So the readings on all the gauges were nominal. They were exactly as expected. They were within specification. They were right. Okay, yeah. The temperature was rather high, but all other readings were nominal, within the tolerance, within the expectation. So what a lot of meanings. Nominal. So something that is in name only. Nominally, he's in charge of this, but other people actually do it. They charged me a nominal amount, an insignificant amount, a token amount. Okay, a nominal group, a phrase or a group of words that work as a noun. The nominal weight of something, or the nominal value, the value that's printed on the packet. A nominal pay rise, it's the actual pay rise but not adjusted for inflation. And then all readings were nominal. They were within expectations. Wow, so what a lot of meanings. Let's look at some formalities. He's the nominal head. 6.5 informality. Yeah, I might say in name only. They charged me a nominal amount, 6 informality, a small amount. The nominal weight, 6.5 informality. Okay, a nominal pay increase. I think maybe 6.5 to 7 informality. All readings were nominal, 6 informality. A nominal grouping, meaning a noun, 7 informality. Okay, so they're all on the formal side. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from nominalis in Latin, of names, nomen, names. That's really where it comes from. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nominal, nominally.